everyone, I'm Surendra Jain and
I'm Vikas Agarwal, and we are here to present you a portal that will help you in counseling. So let's see what this portal has to offer. So guys, in this portal, there are three main pages that we have to understand. One page will help you in understanding based on your rank, what are the options available with you. The second page will help you to understand the placement data of the colleges. And the third page will help you to understand what all branches exist in what all colleges. So we are going to see how to make use of these pages. Alright, so I think we should start with the college branch matrix page.
yeah, there is one more thing, sir. What is this Bangalore? It is written there.
So guys, here you can go with this drop down and you can select the name of your hometown if it is there in the list, and if you don't find your hometown in the list, then select a popular town nearest to your hometown, because based on the location that you are entering here, you will be able to know the distances of various colleges from your hometown, because we have seen that this becomes a very important factor in the minds of the students and their parents when they decide the college to which they want to join. So therefore, you can fill your nearest hometown, your hometown location, or any town location which is nearest to your hometown. All right.
Yeah.
So let's start, sir.
So I think this is our first tab that we are going to explain, college branch matrix. So let us see what all tabs are here. You can see college, branch tag, duration, search, reset. If I do the search button without any filter, let us see what will this give. Sir.
So we have not set any filter, like we did not select any field in the filter, we just went with the search button. I think there is a list here, and now this list depicts the college branch combination. For example, if I just focus on the first three rows here, so the college name is repeated, alright, but the branch name is changing. Okay, so this list basically tells me that what all course options exist in every college. For example, we are dealing with 110 colleges. Now let's just assume a situation in which every college is offering 5 courses. Let's just take it as an example. So if that is the case, then 110 colleges multiplied by 5. So 550 rows should be here in this list, because that will give you all the college and branch combinations that are available. Alright, in reality, we have 110 colleges and the number of branches varies with every college. Few colleges offer more courses, few other colleges offer relatively less number of courses. So there is no fixed number as to like a fixed number of courses offered by any college. So that is not the case. So a total of I can see 30 pages here, and each page containing 25 entries. So I can right now say that we are looking at more than 750 entries right now, which is an overwhelming number. So one of the things what you can do here is you can just select the number of entries that you want to have you want to see on every page, and you can browse through the pages using these options. So I think this is self-explanatory, so maybe we can skip this. But what do I do with this 750 options available with me?
I think this was my question also, that if I'm having 750 entries, so how it is helpful to me, because I cannot understand all this information in one go. So I think these filters will help.
So sir, I will pose you the questions that are coming to mind, and you tell me how we can find the answer to these questions using this portal.
Fine.
So the first question that comes to my mind is, if there are 110 colleges available and they are offering me more than 750 combinations, then I would like to go by this. I would like to see that for a specific college, for example, IIT Delhi is nearest to my hometown. So I would like to see what all branches exist in IIT Delhi. So do I have an option of
yes, definitely. You can select any of the college. Like this is a complete list of colleges: IIT, IIT, NIFT, and GFTI. So if you select IIT Delhi here, okay, then you search here. Okay. You will get.
When we hit the search button,
you will get all possible branches available in IIT Delhi. You can see it is showing only one page. In fact, if you want to count exactly how many there are, you can select 10 entries per page. So you can see on second page, if you are having, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 17 total branches will be there in IIT Delhi. So this is how this navigation page can help you to get number of branches in that particular college. But even I think sir, 17 branches
Yes.
is too much.
Yes, if you ask me, as of now, the list that I can see, 17. I still find the 17 is too high a number, and I would like to reduce the number of course. For example, I'm seeing biochemical engineering and biotechnology. These two look similar. So I want to further reduce the number of branches offered by IIT Delhi. So what can I do for that?
Sir, there are two ways. Number one, maybe you are interested only in doing BTech 4 year.
Yeah.
Or someone may be interested in going for MTech dual degree course, which provides BTech and MTech both.
Okay.
So you have an option of selecting duration. 4 year means it will give you only BTech courses. After selecting 4, if you search, you will get only BTech courses available in IIT Delhi.
So these are the courses that are offered by IIT Delhi as BTech courses. So I can see that chemical engineering, civil, computer science, electrical, and all these things are offered by Delhi. So this is one situation. Any further help that I can get from you?
Yes, I have one question. Suppose someone says that I want to do computer science engineering from IIT Delhi, no matter is it 4 year or 5 year.
Okay.
Is it possible?
Let's see. So what do I need to do in that case?
Maybe we should select 4 year and 5 year together.
Okay.
Okay, so and then we can select branch tag, and this branch tag, if it is CSE, if we select,
CSC stands for?
CSE stands for computer science engineering.
Okay. So this is a tag that we have assigned to any branch which is related to computer science.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then if you search, you will find how many branches are there in IIT Delhi which caters to computer science and engineering. So you can see 4 year and 5 year, there are two different branches.
So now I know that IIT Delhi offers a 4-year program also in computer science, and it offers a 5-year program also in computer science.
Yeah.
Okay, what if I want to check whether aerospace is offered by IIT Delhi or not? Do I have means to check that?
Yeah, definitely, sir. You just have to change the CSE to aerospace. Just remove the CSE, or there is option that only aerospace, and then you search, you will get that there is no branch, there is no record found. That means aerospace is not there in IIT Delhi.
Okay, I have opted for 4-year also and 5-year also, and yet after choosing the aerospace tag, I'm not getting any records. So that means I can conclude that IIT Delhi doesn't offer
Yes.
any course in aerospace engineering.
Yes.
All right, and is that correct? Also, you are from IIT Delhi. You can tell me.
Yes, I am from IIT Delhi. Aerospace is not there in IIT
Okay.
Delhi. In fact, this way you can check for all these tags that how many branches are there in IIT Delhi. In fact, this was seen in that 17 branches together also. But if you want to go this way, this is another way of looking at how many branches and which branches are there in IIT Delhi.
Okay, sir. So, sir, I now understand that if I have one college in my mind, a specific college in my mind, I can investigate what all branches are being offered by that college. So that is one problem statement. What if it's the other way around? Like, I have a branch in my mind, and I would like to know what are the colleges, what all colleges offer that branch. For example, let's say I want to study mechanical engineering only.
Okay.
So do I have means to identify which all college offer mechanical engineering or any other branch for that matter, like civil, or let's go with mechanical.
Yeah.
So I want to know.
I think there can be two requirements for this thing. Maybe you want to know that mechanical is available in what INITs, what GFTIs, what IIIT, what IIT, or all together.
Okay. Yeah.
So what you can do, you just reset it.
Okay.
And just go with that branch tag. Let us say mechanical, as you said. So ME, I think ME stands for mechanical.
Yeah.
You can do the search also. That will be faster way.
I think we have the option of typing it also. Right now we are
Yeah.
not having the keyboard, but
Yeah, you
here
can do it.
we can type here also. So if I use the
Just show
keyboard,
it, sir.
yeah, if I have keyboard in my hand, if I start typing ME, it will start shortlisting, and
Yeah.
then it's easy
So
to select.
ME we have selected.
Yeah.
So whatever mechanical engineering branches are there, if you search it, you will get in all possible colleges, GFTI, NIT, and all.
So right now what we are looking at is mechanical engineering is present in what all colleges, irrespective of whether the college is an IIT or an NIT or a IIIT or a GFTI, and irrespective of whether the course is a 4-year course or a 5-year course, we are getting to see all the mechanical courses offered by all the colleges is what we are looking
Yeah.
at right now.
If you want to analyze 4 years separately and 5 years separately, then give one more filter for like 4 year,
Okay.
and then if you search the filter, this will be refined search, where
Okay.
you will get only 4 year courses.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Now, if you want only IIT,
Yes.
I think you should now give a
Sorting option.
option here, and
Okay.
you will get NIT first. Okay.
So if I click on that small arrow, basically it sorts the table.
Yeah.
This small arrow, it will sort the table. So now all the NITs will appear together. Then after that, maybe IIT will appear. Then after that, maybe triple IT will appear, and then GFTA will appear. And if I click on this, then the order will be reversed.
Order will be reversed. If you click it again,
Okay.
so GFTA will come first and order will be reversed.
Fine.
And if you want to go down, the first method, first better way will be that you select 100 entries here. Okay. Now, if you scroll down after GFTA, you can see triple IT is there, then IIT is there. So if you want to see only IITs, you will find these entries. So starting from IIT Bhubaneswar, Bombay, Mandi, Delhi, Indore, Kharagpur, all these IITs list are there for mechanical 4-year.
Okay.
So this way you can see that mechanical 4-year, whichever IIT it is available, you will see that list here.
Okay. So I think mechanical is a very popular branch, and hence I'm able to see almost all the colleges
Yeah.
here. Let's go with a branch which is not so popular, which
Yeah.
may be present in some colleges, which may not be present in some colleges.
So which
Let's-
branch, sir?
I think we can go with ocean engineering and naval architecture,
Yeah.
or maybe aerospace, maybe
Sir,
biotech.
please type ocean.
Yeah. Okay. So I will.
Yeah. So
Ocean engineering.
ocean engineering, yeah. And let us go with both
Both,
4 and
yeah.
5-year because it is not so popular.
Okay, now I can see that ocean engineering and naval architecture or anything related to ocean engineering is being offered by IIT Kharagpur and IIT Madras only.
Yeah.
Okay.
And IIT Kharagpur has 2 different branches, 4-year and 5-year. And I think same for IIT Madras also, 4-year and 5-year.
Okay, sir, I think we have got something very interesting here to notice. Look at the name, sir. Ocean engineering and naval architecture, and naval architecture and ocean engineering.
Yeah.
Now, to help you with this kind of situation, like the college, the branches names are different, but the difference is so subtle that it may not be intuitive to think the other way around. Like if I just went with ocean engineering, maybe I could have missed out on these 2 options. So for that, what we have done, we have created these tags. So these tags actually, these are mapped with all the branches,
Yeah.
even if they have slightly different. For example, if I select chemical here, then different colleges may be using slightly different names for chemical engineering.
Yeah.
Some colleges are using chemical engineering, some are using chemical science and technology, some are using chemical technology. So all these have been mapped together in this one word, one popular word, chemical, because we know that branch by chemical engineering or simply by chemical.
Yeah.
So the moment you select chemical, you are able to see all those branches. So again, this is, I think, a very good thing that you will not find on the JOSA portal, which will actually.
I was about to come to that.
Okay.
I was about to ask you that question, that if someone goes to JOSA portal and he or she wants to search ocean engineering and naval architecture, will that person be able to select both of them or only one of them?
Only one he would
only
be able
one.
to select. Yeah.
So here you can see there are only 2 branches. So maybe it is not that difficult. You can first select ocean engineering and naval architecture, and then naval architecture and ocean engineering. But if you go for chemical engineering, I think let us go to chemical engineering.
There's one more thing before we actually go
Yeah.
to check the chemical engineering thing. It's not intuitive. How will a student know
Yeah.
that after checking ocean engineering and naval architecture, he should go and try for
Yeah.
the other way around also?
Yeah.
So that's where I think the trick lies.
So all the permutation combination, he
Yes.
may not think in the beginning
Yes.
that with which all names he should
Yeah.
try, that how many branches can be there. But here what we have done with the name ocean engineering, we have given all possible branches
Yes.
there.
Yes.
So it is a complete list with the name ocean.
Yes.
So this is how you can use all these filters to get what you need. I think that should be sufficient for you to analyze all branches, colleges, metrics. So that is the purpose of this tab. Sir, if you want to add anything.
Yeah, so to summarize, this college branch matrix is like your tool to do your own investigation. You want to investigate a particular college, you can investigate that. You want to investigate a particular branch, that branch exists in what all colleges, you can do that also, along with the duration of the courses offered. So this particular tag, this particular page is meant for your own investigation and your own research, and you are encouraged to do that before forming your own list. You are encouraged to play with this a little bit, play with this tool a little bit. This will give you some idea, and that will actually help you to formulate your final list.
So this was one of the tab which we have explained. So stay tuned for more such information. We'll be making more videos to explain
Explain
all other things of this portal.
Yes.
So thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you so much.